In the previous episode, I told you guys about my stay at Taricaya Eco Reserve, a wildlife rescue center in the Peruvian Amazon. During that assignment, I got to spend a night on a platform in the rainforest canopy. Once I climbed all the way up, I set up my tent, took a few pictures, and got ready for a night in the wild. It's time to have dinner. Nice dinner prepared with love by my good friend Percy at the station. So good. The sounds of the forest were amazing that night. I even had a friendly visitor. It stuck around for about a couple of hours before it was time for both of us to go to bed. I just woke up and I'm gonna pack up the tent. I'm getting the cameras ready. I'm having a bit of breakfast. It looks very foggy, and quite soon I expect some birds to turn up, so the sun will rise very early. So I better get ready. Soon after sunrise, the branches around me were full of life. Some volunteers from the rescue center joined me to do some bird watching. The light was amazing up there, but it was soon time to go back down and have some proper breakfast. I'm so glad I got to show you what it was like to spend the night in the canopy platform. I had already done this canopy walk a few months ago, but it's the first time I sleep in there. It was really unique. We didn't see that much wildlife, but that's how it is with wildlife photography. You never know. We still got a few birds. It was still worth it, especially for the sunset and the sunrise and for the whole experience. Spending that night in the canopy was the perfect way to say goodbye to the Amazon. I was based in the region for a couple of years, and I was fortunate enough to photograph amazing wildlife. Now planning new projects in the Congo Basin and in Australia. I used to live in Central Africa, and I can't wait to go back. I'll be sharing exciting content from these upcoming assignments very soon. Thank you so much for watching.